Here the question is to arrange the hydrogen halides in decreasing order of their reducing character. The reducing character of hydrogen halides varies significantly across the group due to differences in bond strength and electronegativity of halogens. The reducing character is decreased from hydrogen iodide to hydrogen fluoride. The reducing character of a substance is referring to its ability to donate the electrons in a chemical reaction. It causes another substance to be reduced. For hydrogen halides, the reducing character is primarily determined by the strength of the hydrogen-halogen bond and the ease with which the halide ion can donate the electrons. Hydrogen fluoride is the least reducing among the hydrogen halide. The hydrogen fluorine bond is very strong, making it difficult for hydrogen fluoride to dissociate and release the hydrogen atoms or to donate the electrons from the fluoride ion. And the one more reason we can say fluorine is the most electronegative element. So fluoride ion has a very low tendency to lose the electrons or act as a reducing agent. Therefore, hydrogen fluoride is not considered as a reducing agent under normal conditions. While in case of hydrogen iodide, this is the strongest reducing agent among the hydrogen halides. The hydrogen iodine bond is the weakest and making it easy for hydrogen iodide to dissociate and release iodide ions. So the order is the reducing property decreases from hydrogen iodide to hydrogen fluoride.